Check if there's anything in the fridge. Make us some breakfast, please. I'll wake the kids up for school. I know they didn't eat yesterday, so they didn't give me money after work.
They're already asleep. They're hungry. They've been waiting for you for so long. Go wake them up for school. There's nothing in the house but water.
Hey, Yatom, wake up. It's time for school. Come on, Tony. There's not much time left. Good morning. Come on, Jasmine. Get up. You have a new day.
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Da. I think there will be a delicious breakfast since we didn't eat anything yesterday.
I don't think so. If there was food when my father came, my mother would have told us to eat. I'm very hungry.
I'm so sorry. We don't have any food today either.
When you come in the evening, I will have earned some money and we will have dinner together.
Goodbye, and don't forget to tell anyone we don't have any money.
Bye.
Bye.
I want to take my bag and go to work. I hope they give me money
I
today.
hope so. We are very hungry. The poor children cannot wait.
I wonder if they will give me the money or not. My children might die of hunger.
This is today's and yesterday's salary.
Thank you. Today you showed them what they love.
Thank you, Mom, for this lovely, delicious meal.
Say thank you to your father, too. He's the one who brought the food.
Follow us for more.